The British pound USD on the daily chart break a major structural level. The break of this major structural level can decide the next big move in today's market coming this week. So the British pound USD has been on a sideways trend for some time now. You can see that price has been ranging where buyers and sellers have been struggling with their position. We have no much movement on the British pound USD for the starting of this week to today before we see the price break that major level. So let's go to the straight to the chart. Let me show you the exact level price break and what we're expecting from the pound USD as price has break this key level on the British pound USD. But before we do that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading things and forex analysis. So let's go straight to the chart. If you watch my previous analysis on my other channel where I break down the current move now on the pound USD, I also break down that we expect the pound USD this week to do a retest of this particular resistance level. We'll see our price reversal back to the ground, which is we expect price to retest this level before we start looking for our selling opportunity. Then what do we see now? We can see that price has tested that particular level. So long price tested this level on the British pound USD. We expect price to start to go down from this particular resistance level. Now let's look at our long-term picture of the British pound USD. On my British pound USD, let's draw my trend line to connect these levels. So on the British pound USD, we have price break out of this major level and price hold back. So long price hold on this major level, on this major swing level. This is a sign of price reversal for the pound USD to this next support level. So long price fail to go above and hold on this resistance. This is a sign of major reversal on the pound USD. Then you can also check on the pound USD structure on the weekly chart. You can see that we still have this level, this higher low, this higher high and a lower high. Then price also failed to close above this lower high. So long price failed to close above this lower high. This is the indication of a reversal trend for the pounds to this next support level. Then if price failed to break the support level, we might be seeing price going back up. Then we'll start looking for possible selling opportunity for the pounds to this major support level on the pounds USD. So on the weekly chart of the pounds USD, there's no clear strong momentum for bearish trend, but with what we are trading now, we are just trading the reversal structure of the pounds USD, which is the reversal trend of the pounds USD on the weekly chart. So let's look at the daily chart of the pounds USD. Let's go to the daily chart of the pounds USD. So on my daily chart, let's go back to the daily chart. So on my daily chart, you can clearly see that last week price break out of this, which is this week price break out of this major level, which is this particular support level. So long price close below this support level, converting this support level to resistance level. This is a sign of strong bearish momentum building up for the pounds USD, indicating we are expecting price to continue to push lower to the downside for the pounds USD. So long price break that major structure level. So we expect the pounds USD to move back to this major support level. And once we see this support level broken on the pounds USD on the daily chart, this might push price more lower for more selling opportunity for the pounds USD to the downside. So long we still have this level being broken, and let's look at the major structure, which is this inner structure creating currently on the daily chart of the pounds USD. The major structure creating currently on the pounds USD daily chart, you can see we have this higher high. So long we have this higher high, then we also have this lower high. We have this lower high, then price created this new lower high level. All these are indication of a price reversal and also price building up momentum for bearish trend to start coming in place for the coming weeks. So you can see that sellers are taking more position on the pound USD so long price has break that particular key level. So this is an indication of more bearish trend coming up for the pound USD to the downside. So let's look at the daily chart, which is the 4-hour chart of the pound USD. But before we look at the 4-hour chart of the pound USD, let's look at the DSY on the daily chart. On my daily chart, DSY still building up momentum for bullish trend. You can see we have this lower low, higher low, and higher low. But this is an inner structure movement for the DSY. But we have this major structure, which is we have this higher high and a lower high. Then we expect price to break this level for also to see a major structural break for the dollar index, which can also shows that the dollar is strongly bullish for the long term. Once we see that major structural level break, this might lead to strong bullish trend for the dollar in the coming month. So now we have an inner structure of price of momentum for buying opportunity on the dollar index. So we expect price to continue to push higher so long we still have our current inner structure series of higher low. We expect price to break this high, wait to retest. We see expect price to continue to push higher for the dollar index. So let's go back to the pound USD on the daily chart. So long we have this strong momentum for bearish trend now, for us to take this particular trade, we need to go to our 4-hour chart for us to take this particular trade. We cannot just rush into this trade because we have a good setup. Let's go to the 4-hour chart of the pound USD. On my 4-hour chart on the pound USD, we can clearly see we have strong downtrend structure already, which is we have this series of higher high, the series of lower high, which indicates strong bullish momentum for the pound USD. So last week we have been waiting for price to break a major higher low level for us to take advantage of the pound USD selling opportunity. For you to do that, if you want to learn how to take your trade the right way, you can book my one-on-one section. The link also in description below to book for my one-on-one mentorship and my video courses. The link also in description below. So if you want to take this kind of trade, it's easy. You have to wait for the major level to break before take advantage of this trade. So we are waiting for price to break the level, and price has truly break this particular level. So what we expect now, we expect more of a selling opportunity on the pound USD. Now we expect price to come back to this support. This is our weekly support level on the pound USD. So we expect more of a selling opportunity coming this month and next month. So we expect more of a bearish trend on the pound USD, which is this week and next week. So take advantage of this selling opportunity on the pound USD and make some money for the new month of March. So because this month is we are already ending the month of February today. So take advantage of this setup and make good money. So if you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for my trading for my channel. Subscribe. Let's support the channel to grow. They also create our last week video where I created the pound USD trade analysis. Also, the link also can watch it at the top. So find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading and forex analysis. See you in my next video.